Good afternoon, viewers. Paul here from All Brand Caravans. I'm just doing a handover here with Leanne with this fantastic Newlands caravan. New product we got on the van these days is the QR code. So on this QR code, we will have all the information that is done on Leanne's van. Easy app, you just hit your camera, scan the code, and it'll come up as Leanne's caravan with all the work that we've done on it. We've done a general repair, a caravan service, and a free visual check. And any further work that gets done will go onto this code. So it's great for us as repairers to have a record, and it's great for the owner of the van to see what they can, what has been done on their caravan. So thanks very much.